caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
Hey guys, it's me Eileen, back at it again with the Cubamex family with
Lenia, your mother.
and today we're going to be doing something fun. So, you know, just if you want another video like this one and just want us to keep on vlogging, then like this video and we'll know. And if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe, and then while you're at it, why not hit that notification bell and share this video, comment, do all that delicious stuff, because we really like when you guys like tell us what you need, like, yeah.
What you need to see, actually.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
But tonight videos is my idea. We're gonna have a movie night, right? That's all we're having.
Yeah,
a movie night.
We're gonna watch Venom.
Yes, but the different thing is that we're watching in our room, in my room, and we're gonna bring
Both mattresses onto the
Yes.
floor. And we're gonna
Yeah.
have basically a sleepover movie night, which is gonna be pretty cool and pretty fun.
Yes, no snoring after we watch the movie, because
I think that you snore.
we're gonna spend the night together, guys. So that's gonna be a mess, but you know.
But
once in a while.
Nacho Cubamex, you know him? Yeah, he snores. But you know,
Whatever.
we win some, we lose some. Yeah, whatever's
It's
clever.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's get ready for start.
Okay. So now I'm gonna go get the first mattress. Angels?
Whatever. So what we're doing is we put it like this. See, Kevin?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do. Okay, yeah? Alright. Alright, you see what I'm saying? Better? So, something that I forgot, that tonight there is only one rule, and is that nobody is gonna use no phone, no iPads, nothing. So that's why I call it movie night. No iPhone, no Samsung, nada. Alright? Alright. Oh, look who appeared. So Angel finally, he don't even help us to bring the mattress, but now he's doing his bed.
Hey, I was playing Fortnite, okay?
What?
He was playing Fortnite.
Look at my face. Do I look like I care?
I mean, if you do care, you do care if I was not.
Do your bed, boy.
I am.
Here comes Arlene. Guys, for real, there is no movie night or night without the goodies. I'm gonna show you the goodies.
The goodies.
Why are you laughing? You don't want your goodies?
How you say it? The goodies. You say it so weird. Say it again.
Goodies. Okay, let me see. So it's I-E-S. Goodies. What's the problem with that?
So you want to
I'm sorry, my English is not very good looking.
You want to
I want to see that bed like that every day.
Too bad. I want to see that. All right, guys. So now that we're comfortable, you want to show them the goodies?
The who?
The goodies.
No, she says booties instead of goodies.
Why does he look? This is.
Why do you put in too much? Are you peeing the pants and in the bed?
No, I like it.
No,
like this.
he likes it like that.
Why?
I think
Because it feels weird on this.
when we say that he's two years behind, it means that now he thinks it's winter when it's summer, and when it's summer it's winter.
Oh, he get all messed up.
Yep.
No, it's
It's like
super,
jet lag
It's super
forever.
cold outside, and it's super cold outside.
Guys,
Guys, he hasn't.
I think it's like 100 right now outside, and he's putting so many
This is only 2.
things
Guys,
on
you
the
want-
bed. Like, oh my God, it's really hot.
Do you want me to show them the goodies?
Yes, show them the goodies.
Hold on. We need to contain people here because once we show them the goodies, everybody wants to show other people goodies. Yeah. So guys, we have 2 bangs for some people and some lemonade. But besides that, here's what we have. So we have some movie butter popcorn that my mom spent 2 hours picking because she was like, more butter or this one? Oh, I'm gonna get this one. Never mind, I'm gonna get this one. And it's just popcorn.
With no butter.
Then we have some Takis.
The best one.
Oh, sure. Then we got some Takis. We got some peanut butter. No, peanut M&Ms. Ew.
Those are mine.
We'll see about that.
Nobody's sharing,
We
Karen.
have the movie.
Which is?
Venom.
Mm?
We have Twix, which is for Mr. Winter over here.
Mm?
I can't even have.
Oh, we have to be,
You are sharing.
so this is beauty guru time. So here we have Mike and Ike's for Nacho Cubamex and Aaliyah Lopez. And those are the goodies, guys.
Alright.
Alright, but wait, guys. The challenge is we can't have our iPads or anything. But like, what are we supposed to do when we're waiting for Nacho Cubamex and Aaliyah Lopez?
Look who is here.
What's up, y'all? What's up, family?
What's up, family?
Did y'all miss us or what? I want to know what you guys were talking about without us.
A lot of things. Muchas cosas.
No.
Oh,
We went to Nana's house.
Who's Nana?
Yeah.
Who's Nana?
Grandma.
Crazy.
We went to
girl.
Grandma. Who else did you see at Grandma's house?
My grandpa.
Great Grandpa. She
Wow.
was like, oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. Hermosa, qué bonita. La abrazaba and everything.
Yeah.
And Aaliyah would just hug him and kiss him too.
Oh, that's
So
really
cute.
cute, hermosa.
Mommy. Either all the kids eat all my candy.
No! Who?
All the kids in the pool.
Okay. But you like to share.
Don't worry.
But it was all
So, guys, what we're going to do right now, Aaliyah decided she want to go next to your brother.
Angel.
Uh-huh. So,
And Aline is staying with Angel next to Angel.
uh-huh.
So
Yeah,
you
they
want me to
already
put-
said that.
You want me to put your bed next to Angel's?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
And Aline's gonna go.
You gonna help me?
Yeah, I'm gonna help you.
Help me there.
Help you then. I need to put stuff away because.
All right. Oops.
1, 2, 3.
Where is it?
Come on, pick her up.
Right here.
Come on, pick
Where
her
is
up.
it? Oh.
Careful.
Angel. Angel.
Move her a little bit.
Yeah, because we're good. I'm gonna sleep
Thank you, sir.
in your bed.
Right there?
Let's see. I think
So, for the people that just got here,
Move back. Back, 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 back. Oh, because his bed's moving the bed.
wow, Aaliyah, you're so strong.
Drop it like it's hot.
Aaliyah, stop. Stop.
Mom, you're short.
Oh, it's not gonna fit because.
Yes, it is. Just move the thing back. Yeah, it's plenty of space.
Perfect.
Just a reminder for the people that just got here, which is my husband, and he's addict to
Sleeping in movies.
YouTube and all that stuff. No phone, no social media.
What?
No.
Wow, what are we doing?
Put
We
on
having a sleepover?
We have a sleepover, we have a movie night, and then a sleepover, and no snoring at all, no
I
social
failed.
media.
I failed. Because I snore like a pig.
No, you snore like.
Be careful, Hermosa.
I snore like my dad?
Yeah.
Oh, pa! Get up!
This is not phone. This is a time phone.
Where's my phone?
All right, so when are we starting this challenge then?
Huh?
When are we starting this challenge? Because I see you on the phone.
No.
I see you on the phone,
As soon-
and I do not see you on the phone.
As soon as we put the movie ends. As soon as we put the movie on, and then that's it. Nothing. No phone, no iPad,
No camera.
no nothing. Okay?
Did y'all hear that?
No.
So we can't watch TV?
Yes.
Yes,
No
movie
porn.
night. No phones, no nothing. Now, well, let's get this movie started, guys.
Yeah.
Did you guys get any snacks?
Oh, no.
If we having a movie night, there got to be snacks.
No, we didn't get no snacks.
No snacks?
No, we're waiting for you to grab it.
Waiting for me to grab it.
I'll grab it.
I will grab
Why do I have to grab everything around here?
it. Grab it.
Because she's the grabber.
I will grab it.
Guys,
You
what
guys
movie
have-
we get?
Venom. You guys have 2 bangs downstairs and there's raspberry lemonade.
Yeah, but you don't want no
Oh.
one.
Oh, starting Monday.
Oh.
Oh, we got some snacks. Did y'all already show the family?
Yeah.
Oh, these are, we got butter. Oh, nice. This is my favorite, guys. This is my favorite right here. This is my favorite right here.
Not sponsored.
This is not my favorite right here.
Not sponsored.
This, Twix. Ooh, I love Twix too.
Not sponsored.
Daddy, I like
And
this also.
we got the Veneno. Venom.
Not
Daddy,
sponsored.
I like this also.
I know you do, Mama. You just like Daddy.
Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna
Okay, Daddy, we're gonna share.
Oh, y'all got lemonade too?
Yeah, let's do the popcorn.
Okay, so right now we're gonna make some popcorn. But I don't know how many popcorn we're gonna do. I guess we start with 2 and then we can do more. I don't know how to do this, but we got this. Aaliyah's being crazy. Seems as if one tried to run away. What we have to do is less than 4 minutes. And we're gonna put it for 4 minutes. And we'll see when the first one's done.
She's done.
So the popcorn is ready. So I just want to see if how many times it looks like it's kind of burnt, but it's all right. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab these 2 bangs. Angel, here you go. And here you go. And also this very lemonade right here. We are also gonna get some cups and then we're gonna go upstairs.
Damn, the wife already munching on that popcorn.
Me too.
Let me get some of that.
Yeah. Me too.
They're pretty good.
And somebody came. And somebody came.
And look who joined us to watch the movie.
Rummy.
Hey, she Rambo. You see it?
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna put the movie in. Where's the movie at?
Is it open?
Wait. Let me do the honors.
You can't put in the movie yet. We haven't given the stuff to Mom.
Stuff to Mom.
Give me the goodies. Give me the goodies. Give me the goodies. Goodies.
Oh, I forgot my iPad.
Oh yes. Let the challenge
My
begin.
iPad downstairs.
Everybody, mute your phones.
Mom.
All right.
Mom.
Put all your phones, your iPads. All the money, put it in my pocket.
Mom, where's your phone? I don't
Oh,
see
yeah.
it.
Are you deaf? Are you blind?
All right, let me see. There has to be 4 phones.
Goodies.
2 iPads. 3 iPads, but Aaliyah's is on the floor. Aaliyah, give me your iPad, Mama. Go get your iPad. Guys, because every time we watch a movie, nobody watches the movie. Either we're on the phone checking the social medias or
You're asleep.
sleeping like me. So y'all probably gonna see me sleeping. If I go to sleep, guys, I want you guys to
We're not
record
gonna
me.
see you sleeping. We're gonna hear you sleeping.
Alright, let me get all this equipment and devices
Spoilers.
out of the way. The movie's already on. So nobody can grab them. We don't want to know.
Guys, I think I need to go pee.
No, there's nobody go to the restroom. You want to go to the restroom, you gotta go to the one outside. Alright?
Wow, man.
Now everybody have fun and enjoy the movie. I just dropped the M&Ms.
Do you guys want me to turn off this light?
You're not gonna drop them. You dropped them.
Do you guys want me to turn off the light? I still don't know what light is which. Play the movie already.
Alright guys, we're gonna watch the movie. We'll see you guys later. So far we finished the first movie and nobody has gotten no phones, no iPads, and no nothing.
Yeah, look. I have my.
Her fake phone. She's out.
But we're deciding what movie to watch right now. And I think White Chicks is gonna be.
Look, I did have my picture.
I already watched it, but it's pretty funny.
Guys,
So maybe that movie will keep me up.
Guys.
And I go to sleep.
Guys.
Mom.
And you snore.
Guys.
Shit, he's gonna be the first
Like
one.
a peg.
Guys.
Good morning, guys. So the whole plan tonight was to watch the movie and sleep over. It's because I have something planned after that. I'm gonna prank them up again. So they haven't done anything to me, so we are 1-0. So I'm gonna show you what I have in my hands. So I'm gonna wait maybe like 20 minutes. I'm gonna go back up there and I'm gonna check if he's still asleep, because he's a fat ass and I know he's gonna fall asleep again. Good morning por la mañana. Why you guys so mad? Oh, freaking thing. I'm sorry, hermosa. Give me a kiss. Oh, I'm so sorry. No, hold on. That scare you? I'm sorry. Well, get that not scared.
No.
Close your ears, hermosa. Close your ears, hermosa.
No.
Close it, hermosa. Close it.
No, what?
That one is louder than the one I bought.
Yes. So let me tell you guys. Today, since I still have some more air, I'm gonna have the pleasure, because this is one of my other dreams. I still have a lot of air in this can right here. So where you think I'm going to go?
Downstairs.
I'm going to the street.
No, you're not.
Oh yes, I am. I'm going to the street, and I'm gonna bust her horn. Do not go back to sleep, or I will do it again.
What's up, Uncle?
Who wants some donuts?
You brought donuts.
Who wants some donuts? No. Who wants some donuts?
Oh, they got excited. Come on. That was loud. Come here, Mama. Look at your eyes. Oh my God, you okay?
One thing that I noticed too, guys, is that I'm 2-0.
Nah.
0.
Nah.
Okie dokie. 2-0.
I was giving you. I didn't want to be messed up, and now you got us twice. Just wait, family. She's not gonna. Ooh. I don't even want to talk no more because I don't want to give it away. But you're gonna poop your pants. That's all I know.
Whatever.
It's coming.
Whatever.
Yeah.
In a race, If you are 2-0, you're winning. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Nat. I wake up at 5:25, and then I had this technical difficulty, and I'm not gonna say that, but that's what just happened after all.
Don't worry, man. You got it coming. That's all I got. You ain't.
That's what I heard last time, but I still 2-0.
Now it's gonna. I gotta come stronger, guys. Stronger. Hey, don't mind my my.
Your hairness.
I look like a straight bum right now. Like a what's it called? Yeah, that.